Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I am here to just do this quick video with you guys. Getting back into the hang of recording is going to take a little time, but let's go take two. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now Jesus. Oh my gosh, okay Joanne, pace yourself, take your time, breathe, and let's do this. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now like I told you all in the video when I did the update, I was going to share with you all how I do my stretch with my blow dryer and give you all a quick review of this Revlon dryer while I do that. Now guys, one of the things that I have been struggling with for the past few years is getting a blow dryer, especially if you order it from Amazon. It's always 110 volts. Now, living in the Caribbean, we use 220 to 240 volts, so it's always difficult. We always have to use a transformer. And I have blown one too many transformers because of this. So I took to Amazon and I searched, trying to find a hairdryer that was, 220 volts. Came across this one, left it in my cart for about 4 or so months. Because of the size, I felt like I was a little skeptical to buy it because I wasn't sure if it would have been strong enough, if it would have been powerful enough for this head of hair. But I decided I was going to get it. And I think one of the things that also deterred me from getting it sooner was the price, because it costed like 15 US. Yeah, not bad on price at all. So I decided to get it a few months back. And guys, it has been working amazingly. Really amazingly. It comes with this little plug here. So you have the option for the 110 or the 120 or the 220 to 40. It has the settings just off, high and low. And I think this is for the cold air. It came with this little attachment that I use all the time, because when I'm blow drying my hair, I kind of use like the concentrated thing. It's, come on now, good job. It also does this, so I guess if you're traveling, it folds up into this nicely and then you wrap it around, I guess. It has this little ring that you can hang wherever you want to hang it, in your shower, in your closet, wherever you want to, if you choose to do the hanging part. I just sometimes just lay it out into my little hair tools basket. But this is it. I have really been liking this, guys. It's small, but it works. It works really well. I don't know, strangely enough. One thing that I have found though, just like with the Revlon brush, the other one that I used before, your hair needs to be well moisturized, or you need to have your heat protectant in, because it tends to be a little drying, I find, on the hair. It kind of makes it a little dry if the hair is not properly moisturized, or if you don't have a heat protectant. If you have a heat protectant or it's moisturizing now, as I did the wash, I just sealed my hair with some castor oil. So this is going to work nicely. If you don't put anything in there, it's going to be a little drying on the hair. But this is it. It's a very short review. I am going to just run through this video because, I mean, what more can I say about a hairdryer except that in spite of the size, it is good on price, it works well. It works. It is not one of those high-end, top quality things that you're going to find, but if you're looking for something that is within budget, within a good price range that works, then I would say go for this, because it has been working well for me for the past few months. So I'm gonna go into drying this hair. As you remember, it's in the sections from when I did the wash, so I'm gonna just put it one area at a time. What I like to do, I leave this area in the twist, and then I use the dryer, go along the entire plait before I do the unplaiting, so that it kind of tends to dry it a little bit before I even take down the twist. So there you go. I use it on the low setting because it's a little powerful and I don't want it to, be too hot. I use it on the low setting and I dry the hair. When I am done doing the pass with the twist in the hair, I take down the twist and still holding onto the ends of the hair, I use the blow dryer and go down the length of the hair while I am tugging on it and I am pulling on it so that it has that little tension, so that it keeps the hair straight, it keeps the hair stretched. And then I just go down the whole strand of the hair, the whole length of the hair with the blow dryer to get it straight. When I do this for about a minute or two, I take my comb, pass through it so that I can ensure that all the knots are removed, that it's not so tangled. Guys, this is something that I have been working on. It was way worse. When I had all the breakage I told you all about, this is what happened. So I'm working on getting it back. It's growing back nicely. See this? So it's already almost to the point where I want it to be. I don't want to stretch it out too straight. I just need it to be dry so that I can be able to easier go through and do the combing of the hair, because when it's stretched, it makes styling so much easier. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. This is perfect for what I want. Let me show you all what it looks like to the back, the length. As you all can see, it's getting back to the length. As I move on to the other sections, I am going to put it into a twist. That way it stays nice and stretched and none of the moisture goes in and have it just shrivel back up. So we do the same thing for all the other sections. So we tug onto the twist, we blow dry it while the twist is still in for a little bit. We unplait it, go through the entire length of the hair, blow drying till it is nice and stretched. Pass our comb through it just a little bit to ensure that everything is nice and smooth. I'm just breaking the trim. Put it into some twists and that's it. So this is it. Let me just take down the twist so you all can see the complete finished product and how it looks. So what I will do, guys, in another video, I will show you all the like routine for how I keep this hair stretched, so you all can have an idea what I do. But this is it. This is what we're looking like. I told you all this dryer works amazing. I was quite shocked at how well it worked, because yeah. So this is it. Let you see the back. I see growth. But this is it, guys. Good. Let me know in the comment section below what you use to stretch your hair, and if you have tried this Revlon hair dryer before, any of the Revlon dryers. Let me know in the comment section if you stretch your hair, if you keep it stretched, you know, because like I have said before, when I keep my hair stretched, it is so much easier, it is so much better, and it helps a lot with retaining length and growing your hair, because it has less tangles, less frizz, less knots. It's just all around better for me, for my hair and the health. But this was it for this quick video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.